Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone flash whenever you get a notification alert. Let's get started. First, open your Settings app. From there, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now, scroll down to the Hearing section and select Audio and Visual. This is where you'll find all the visual notification settings for your iPhone. Scroll to the bottom under the Visual section and you'll see LED Flash for alerts. Tap on that and then toggle the switch on. Now there are two additional options here. The first one is Flash on Unlock. If you want your iPhone to flash even when you're actively using it, turn this on. The second option is Flash on Silent. This lets your iPhone flash even when it's in silent mode. Both of these are optional based on your preference. Once you've configured these settings, every time you get a call, text message, or any notification alert, your iPhone camera flash will light up to alert you. And that's it. You've successfully enabled LED flash notifications on your iPhone. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.